If you've never created a pattern in Adobe Illustrator, it's really not that difficult. I'm going to start with the artboard. I'm going to start with a square. I'm going to fill my artboard with a color. And I'm going to make sure that my artboard doesn't have a stroke. I'm going to take a motif that I already have designed, and I'm going to place it in the center of the artboard. Now I'm going to copy the background square, Command C to copy. Now I'm going to go Command B to paste to back. Now without doing anything else, I'm going to go and make sure that that square that I just pasted to the back has no fill and no stroke. Now with the selection tool, I'm going to drag over everything and drag this over into my swatches and drop it. You can see it appeared right here. That is my new pattern swatch. I can go here now and fill a box with my new pattern. You can see I have a repeat pattern now. You can keep designing your pattern and adding more elements to it if you want to make it more complicated. Go over here and drag it over into here. And now when I click this new fill, you can see my pattern's gotten more complicated. So that's the basics of building a pattern in Adobe Illustrator.